how to change wheel margins in honor of kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can completely change it. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon. Simply tap on settings. Now we're in the settings interface. Here on the left, you'll be able to see different options. Simply tap on layout. So this is the place where you can customize and make changes in the layout. Now slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to find a slider named wheel margin. So here you can adjust it accordingly. Here on the right you can widen it, and here on the bottom you can narrow it. So on the top you can even see the changes that you can do. Now at last, simply go back and it will be completely saved and you can play the game again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.